Hey there, I've got this clear jar. Let's turn it into a tiny greenscape. So let's begin layering this little word. First, I'm adding some pebbles at the bottom. This layer is so important because it will catch extra water later. I like spreading them out evenly with a spoon so the base feels neat. Now comes a thin layer of charcoal. It may not look like much, but it really keeps everything fresh inside. Next, I'm putting in some dry moss. This works like a little barrier between the soil and the stones. It also looks nice as a soft layer before the soil goes in. Time for the soil. I'm adding a good amount here, enough for the plants to grow comfortably. And before moving ahead, I'm placing a small driftwood piece. It adds such a nice natural touch and will tie in beautifully with the plants. Here comes the plants. I'm arranging them one by one. This is the part I enjoy the most. It's like styling a tiny garden inside glass. Now, I'm placing some fresh green moss on the soil, just pressing it gently with a tweezer. This instantly gives the terrarium that lush wild forest feel. Time to add some details. A seashell and a small amount of sand there to make it feel natural. And this little miniature, I love how it instantly brings character. Now it feels like a tiny word, not just soil and plants. And that's it. My terrarium is ready. I love how it always feels like building a small living scene inside glass. Thanks for watching. This was my first video here. Your love and support means a lot. Keep supporting and stay tuned for more.